In this video I'm going to show how to adjust the model imported from a step file. So here I have a model imported from a step file where the coil is a bit off compared to the central part, and I want to move the coil down to match the central part. I'm going to add a GeoOperation, translate, apply it to the coil and translate. Let's see how much. I'm going to show the axis and see that it's about 0.02 towards the z-axis, and it's downward like that. So I'm going to apply that, and then I need to apply the geometries to make the modification happen. And like that I can apply the modifications to geometries.